Yeah, so I chose to do a evening course because I was working during the day. So I chose to do an evening course at Brighton Metropolitan College, which was an 8-week course of an introduction to HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Yeah.
And it was a very nice basic start how to get into things. It wasn't too much at once, and you could take your time with it. There was lots of help from the tutor and stuff like that, and it was kind of a nice environment to have like a small group of people rather than a massive classroom like we're used to at school. So it was just a nice change of environment and something to do in the evening that got me out of my job and my brain think of something completely different.
Okay, so this was an evening class, yeah?
Yeah.
And
yeah.
how long did that class go for?
So that was about 8 weeks in total for that course. I moved on to a secondary course after that, which was another 8 weeks. But I mean, it wasn't expensive. So, and the money that work was covering paid for it. So I just took advantage of it and thought, why not?
Excellent. Yeah, that sounds really good. And at the time, were you working at the call center whilst you were studying?
Yes. So juggling both at the same time.
Yeah.
So work in the day, then go do a course once a week.
So that's quite tiring, I guess, for both, physically and mentally, because you're having to deal with people at the call center, and then you're having to deal with code in the evening.
Yeah.
So
I think.
Yeah.
Sorry, go on.
Well, I was going to say you're like, one of these superheroes that.
I wouldn't say that.
You're a coder by night, caller by day.
Yeah, it's like. Yes, my alter ego.
Yeah.
It's like, it's difficult, and you can get like a word that goes around is burnout, and it can happen. Luckily, this was like 1 day a week for 8 weeks. So I think it is. I would advise personally, to do it in smaller chunks, not take on a full-time course and work at the same time, because you will just burn yourself out, and you'll lose all enthusiasm for what you're studying.
Sure. Definitely. Yeah, that's some really solid advice there.